Hello good people. Welcome to the Review Plus. In this video, we will try to list best 5 ice cream makers. We tried to list them based on their price, quality, durability, and more. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 5. Cuisinart Ice 30 BC. Fully automatic frozen yogurt, sorbet. Brushed stainless steel housing, heavy-duty motor. Large ingredient spout for easily adding favorite mix-ins. Double insulated 2-quart freezer bowl. Product built to North American electrical standards. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 4. Winter ICM 15 LS. Self-contained frozen dessert maker that does not require pre-freezing. High-efficiency CFC-free compressor. Removable bowl and churn blade for easy storage. Reliable built-in audible timer. This unit includes an electronic timer. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 3. Breville BCI 600 XL. Kindly review the videos under the image section. User manual under product details for setup and user guidance. Fully automatic or manual functionality. Keep cool setting for up to 3 hours. Pre-cool setting to optimal operating temperature. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 2. Cuisinart Ice 100. Fully automatic with a commercial quality compressor. 2 paddles, a gelato paddle for authentic gelato. 60-minute countdown timer with touchpad controls. 10-minute keep cool feature keeps your ice cream. The same button can be pressed to continue mixing. Please check the description for details and best price. And number 1. Lelo Muso Lucino 4080. 1-1/2-quart capacity bowl freezes 3 quarts of ice cream. Fully automatic, pour ingredients into bowl. Timer controls operation for different frozen confections. Paddle made of stainless steel for easy cleaning. This machine takes the trouble and guesswork out of making ice cream. Please check the description for details and best price.